Talk with 3, 4 or 5 people, okay, and see if you can find someone you can resonate with. And by the way, one other thing, when you're asking them what should you do with them, if they mention the word "I can guarantee you whatever," finish the call. Finish the call. Nobody can guarantee you nothing. They can't guarantee you a transformation, because that's where you come in. You are the only one that can guarantee it, okay? You got to be the person that takes the action. If the coach or the facilitator or the consultant or whoever you are you're reaching out to, if they are good, they will help you achieve that. They'll work with you to achieve that, but they can't guarantee it. If they are telling you they can guarantee it, get off the line. It is dangerous territory. All right, so that's my thoughts for today. It's a bit of tough love, but it's the truth. It is the truth. Talk to 3, 4 or 5 people. You want to count me as one of those? Good. And then see whether we resonate. If we don't resonate, fine. That's okay with me too. Because it's your business. It's your life. It's your family lifestyle. You're putting your stuff on the table. This is a huge decision to make, because it's an amount of money, maybe 5,000, 4,000, 10,000, whatever it is, okay? This is a huge amount of money for you, and you want to make absolutely sure you're making the right decision. That takes time, that takes trust, and it takes resonance. If those things aren't there, guess what? You're going to be out of business. Sad to say, but it's true. I hope this helps in some small way. In the meantime, best wishes from Thailand. Bye for now.